Introduction to the vehicle. You'll start by getting familiar with the automatic car's controls, including the steering wheel, pedals, brake and accelerator, gear shifter, and dashboard indicators, adjusting the seat and mirrors. Your instructor will guide you on how to adjust your seat for comfort and visibility, as well as how to set your mirrors properly. Safety briefing. Expect a discussion on safety features, including seat belts, airbags, and the importance of safe driving practices. Starting the engine. Learn how to start the car, including using the key or push-button ignition, and the correct procedure for engaging the gear. Understanding the gear system. Familiarize yourself with the automatic gear settings: Park P, Reverse R, Neutral N, and Drive D. Basic maneuvers. Your instructor will guide you through basic driving maneuvers, such as accelerating, braking, and steering, in a safe, controlled environment. Practice in a quiet area. Most first lessons begin in a low-traffic area, allowing you to gain confidence without the stress of heavy traffic. Turning and signaling. You'll practice making turns and using turn signals to indicate your intentions to other drivers. Traffic rules overview. An overview of essential traffic rules, road signs, and how to navigate intersections safely will be covered. Parking basics. Learn the fundamentals of parking an automatic car, including parallel parking and parking in a lot, feedback and tips. Expect your instructor to provide real-time feedback on your driving, including tips for improvement and areas to focus on. Conclusion and next steps. Your lesson will typically conclude with a recap of what you learned, any questions you might have, and advice on how to prepare for your next lesson. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one. Until next time, keep exploring your style.